All right, looking to take on some new challenges. Well, Seneca Polytechnic is a place to grow, and they are hosting their open house tomorrow, which is Wednesday, July the 19th. Great to have the manager of student recruitment, Shivani Naidoo. That's a new name.
It's a new name.
Okay, so let's start there.
Well, people always kind of say, like, what's changed? What's different?
Yeah.
The thing is, we're doing what we've always done. We're calling ourselves Seneca Polytechnic because we offer a polytechnic education. So that means three things. It means that students have an opportunity to be involved in a rigorous education and academic process. They're exposed to and have the opportunity to work in field before they graduate. And they'll develop practical skills. So those are the things that we're really doing to support students and calling ourselves Polytechnic.
Yeah. So how many campuses do we have? Because I'm an alum. Yeah, I'm an alum. This is years ago. So, and I was a mature student. I went to Brock, came out and kind of tried to figure out what I want to do, and then it didn't work out. And I went back to school for broadcasting. So then I did an accelerated program at Seneca at York, that campus.
Amazing.
And then look at me today. So
look
that's
at you
the thing. Well, you do get a lot of students like me, mature students.
I think that's super common to have students who've, got a bit of education, got some work experience, want to come back to school, hone in on their skills, maybe change career paths altogether, and just kind of figure out what their passion is, what their drive is, and figure out what the best program is for them to achieve success in their career. So it's hard to do that. It's hard to navigate all the programs that are available at Seneca.
How many? Like
over 300 programs. So there's tons of choices.
Okay. So what's the open house all about? We're just trying to offer or showcase some of the unique programs, or is every program showcased?
Every program, everything related to Seneca is what we're going to feature. So it's tomorrow, Wednesday, July 19th, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. We are in person at Newnham campus, King campus, Seneca at York, and Markham campus. As well, we are virtual at senecapolytechnic.ca. So it's a hybrid event, and it's a great chance to come take a tour, get a feel for the campus. You'll also have a chance to come to a program info session. So you'll meet with the folks who will be teaching you. They're going to tell you all about the program, details about your academics, your work options by the end of your academic career at Seneca, and just kind of help you to plan what's next. I think it's a great way to come and just explore everything that Seneca has to offer, including the programs as well as the services and kind of wraparound supports that make it a really awesome experience.
So you can do virtual. And
you can do virtual.
Because obviously that was a pandemic thing that we don't really like to talk about, but there is certain positive that came out of that, and that's the virtual education that has continued, and that's what makes Seneca unique?
Absolutely. So that's one of the things that started, right? During the pandemic, we flipped to offering classes virtually. We just found that folks really enjoyed learning in that way because we know people have so many different competing priorities, right? You've got kids, you've got work, you've got aging parents, but by being able to study online, you have the option to do that at your own pace, come to class, and not have to commute into campus. And so that really makes Seneca a destination that you can get to.
You don't have to be,
you don't have to be there.
Yeah, and that's the thing too, is because it could be somebody, again, a mature student that is in something right now that they don't really enjoy and looking to, because it's never too late.
It's never too late. And one of the things I kind of wanted to highlight for you is that there's so many ways to learn at Seneca. You could come in person and have that kind of traditional experience where you come to the classroom. You could study from home and operate your program virtually 100%. You could do this flex model where some of your classes are online, some are in person, and then there's this really neat option where it's totally flexible. And it means you could wake up in the morning and decide, okay, I'm coming in person, or got to do drop off and pick up today. Better do it online.
And no other college is doing that.
We're the first.
Okay, amazing. Where do people go? Like, how do you know which campus to go to? Where do they get all the information for that?
Visit us at senecapolytechnic.ca. Okay. You'll be able to map your day, plan your visit with us. Feel free to send us a note, give us a ring, check us out on the website, and we'll help you to figure it out.
Do you love your job?
Every single day.
You love your job. You're pretty good at your job, too.
I'm a Seneca grad myself, and I love Seneca. It's such a great place, and I'm super excited for people to come here and experience what it can do for you and how it can propel you to achieve success.
Seneca Polytechnic is their open house tomorrow, July the 19th. Shivani Naidoo, thanks so much.
Thank you.